Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Arvamkul. Today again I have come up with an English story inspired by Amar Chitrakada. The title of today's story is The Greedy Forester. Let's quickly dive into the story. Once upon a time, an elephant was born in the forest of Himalayas. He was very unique and beautiful. He was a white elephant who looked like a full moon leaning on a dark cloud. The elephant grew up with other little elephants. As he grew older, he noticed that most of his companions were selfish, greedy, and even cruel. The white elephant decided to leave the herd. She thought to herself, I don't belong here. I would rather live alone. So he dwelt apart, giving help and good counsel whenever it is needed. Many found him advising animals, and soon he came to be known as the Good King Elephant. A forester from Varanasi lost his way in that forest. He thought, I have never felt more frightened in my life. Every path seems to lead me farther away from home. As the light grew fainter, phew! What was that? Oh, it was just a shadow. How foolish of me. Gathering courage, he walked on. Suddenly, he saw the elephant coming and got scared. He ran shouting, Heaven, help me. I will be crushed to death. Then he thought, oh, he seems harmless. He is only following me, not chasing me as I thought. To his surprise, the animal spoke to him. I heard you scream. Is there anything I can do for you? The man said, I have lost my way. I want to go to Varanasi. The elephant said, Come home with me. I will guide you to the city. Later, at the elephant's cage, the elephant said, You are exhausted. Why don't you rest here for a few days? The man said, Yeah, I think I will. The elephant's day began early and he enjoyed taking baths by watching the day break over those hills. In the evening, they walked to a clearing in the forest. The elephant said, Let us watch the sun go down. It fills my heart with peace. The man said, I envy you, your peace of mind. We men are restless creatures. After a few days, the man said to the elephant, I would love to stay on, but I have work to do in Varanasi. The elephant said, I will take you to the edge of the forest and set you on your way to the city. The man observed the path carefully while returning. At the edge of the forest, he dismounted and thanked the elephant. A few days later, the forester happened to visit the ivory bazaar at Varanasi. He told the shopkeeper, What beautiful things you create. The shopkeeper said, They could be even more beautiful, but good tusks are hard to come by. The man was surprised. Are they? Would the tusk of a living elephant be good enough? He replied, It is the best, but it is rare and costs much more than the tusk of the dead one. Greed got better of the forester. He went back to the forest. The elephant asked, What is the matter? You look unhappy. I am up to my neck in debt, the forester said. The man replied, A piece of your tusk can save me. The elephant sat down and held his trunk out obligingly. I will gladly give you both my tusks, but you will have to cut them off. The man was delighted and said, I came prepared. I knew you would not fail me. The man cut a portion of the tusk of the elephant. The elephant said, What you hold are not no ordinary tusks. They are the source of all my wisdom. Back in Varanasi, the forester received a big sum of money for the tusk. Wow, there is more money than I thought. Now I can buy all the silks and jewels that I want. A month later, I spent all the money and now I don't have any money left, the forester cried. I should have cut closer to the flesh. What a waste of good ivory. That night, the forester couldn't sleep. He thought, if I cut more, the elephant will suffer. But I must not be sentimental. I must get hold of those precious tons of tusks. So back he went to the elephant. Greed had hardened his heart. He said, Your tusks did help to clear my old debts. But I need more money in order to live happily and be rich. The elephant said, You may have what is left of my tusks. The elephant crouched down to give the tusk. The moment had come for the forester to carry out his cruel plan. He pinned the elephant's trunk down with his foot and pulled the tusks, finally sawed them off. The forester left without any guilt. Now I'm done with you, my friend. I have got all there is to get. And he walked away, leaving the elephant torn and trembling. Not a word of reproach escaped the elephant's lips. Suddenly, the forester fell, the ground heaved under his feet. The earth split open and a fire raged. He yelled, "Help! Help!" The forester realized that he was being punished for his greed, but it was too late. As the flames consumed him, a voice was heard. An ungrateful man is never satisfied, not even if he is given the whole world. As for the elephant, he lived the rest of his life in the peace and quiet of the Himalayas. I hope you understood the moral of this story. So if you like the story and if you want to listen to more such stories in English and Tamil, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and place your comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.